At first glance, the largest Fortune 500 enterprises in healthcare, financial services, automobile, retail, manufacturing, among others seem to have nothing in common. They operate in disparate industries with distinct business challenges. Yet, structurally, they are very much alike. They all comprise of sizeable multi-unit or multi-divisional departments that make up the enterprise. These departments are often defined based on their function, product, service focus, or location and operate independently of one another and may even be dispersed across geographical boundaries, especially in the case of large organizations. With video becoming a necessity for these organizations for various purposes such as corporate communication, corporate L&D, knowledge sharing and so on, each division or department need an enterprise video platform to manage their video needs with complete control over budget, security, privacy, theme, language, compliance and so on. Considering these needs, VIDIZMO offers multi-tenancy in its products, allowing all departments or divisions in your organization to have complete autonomy over all aspects including but not limited to storage, compliance, billing, security and so on. Let's see how VIDIZMO's multi-tenancy works. Vertical departments managing different products or services with entirely different branding or corporate identity guidelines can apply their corporate branding instead of inheriting parents' guidelines. For instance, if your region is managing different products or services with entirely different branding or corporate identity, you can apply their portal branding instead of inheriting broader organizational guidelines for each portal. Well, you can configure multiple features for all the portals separately. You can integrate your Active Directory using whichever single sign-on protocol or ID management tool used in your unit. You can define your platform security policies for authentication, encryption, domain restrictions, URL restrictions, DRM, access controls, among others. You can set portal administration policies for specific features such as enabling interactivity, moderation of workflows, reporting, video sharing options, etc. You can store your media in your geographic storage server locations. You can allow distributed geographical hosting for optimized video delivery via the most proximate CDNs. For instance, a team in America can host their portal in US data centers while another team in China can host their portal in their regional data centers. You can maintain separate audit logs to monitor all activity within the portal. This helps you analyze who accessed the portal, when, from where and what action on content was performed by whom. Interesting, right? But that's not all. A portal can also inherit the same administration policies, branding, compliance, storage, hosting, licensing etc. as the main platform, depending on your preference. Well, VIDIZMO grants all the above-mentioned autonomous capabilities for individually managing each portal. To explore what value VIDIZMO could create for your organization, you can set up a free trial from Azure Marketplace and AWS Marketplace, or request a free trial in VIDIZMO's cloud. Stay tuned until next time.